Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I want to present about division Pteridophyta. Okay, so firstly about the introduction. So, division Pteridophyta. Petris refer to fern, python refer to the plant, and it is noun contain all the vascular plant that do not bear seed, which is fern, horsetail, club mosses, and whisk fern. In some classification, consider a subdivision of tracheophyte. Okay, so it's about 97% of living Pteridophytas are fern. In fact, there are probably about 12,000 species of fern in the world. Okay. Most of these are found in the tropics and which place that avoid direct sunlight at the crack and rocky surface or wetlands. Okay, because they need damp and wet places to live. Cryptogams do not have flower or seeds, and they are first terrestrial plant. Okay. Second is about the reproduction and life cycle about the Pteridophyta. Okay, first, they reproduce through leaf, which is feather-like, because they produce spore. So from the spore, which is undergo mitosis and become uh, gametophyte. In the gametophyte, they have male organ and the female organ, which is egg. So the male organ which is sperm, and go to the egg and undergo fertilization and become zygote, which is 2N. Okay, then it's undergo mitosis and become sporophyte. So the sporophyte here is the fern. So as we can see here, gametophyte is short life and small in size and virtually hidden from view. Okay, so for sporophyte is the dominant generation to the extent that this is the generation recognized as fern. Okay, they possess through roots, stem, and leaf. Okay, so the what we call it spore at the leaf will undergo the cycle, so they will live like this. Okay, so next is the general application for the Pteridophyta. So first, it used in flower arrangement. Second is the medical treatment or medicines, and third is used as food, and the last one is used for biofertilizer. Okay, so here we can see the classification of division Pteridophyta, or we can call it taxonomy chart. Okay, so the domain of Pteridophyta is Eukarya. So the kingdom is Plantae. The phylum is Pteridophyta, and they have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 classes under Pteridophyta. And they have their own order under day. Okay.
Okay, next I'm going to present about division Pteridophyta application as food. Okay, so we all know that division Pteridophyta is a fern and also known as pucuk paku pakis in Malaysia. So we all know that Malaysian is a really good cooker and can make a variety of food with a different sauce. Okay, such as in this picture. So this is actually a division Pteridophyta, and it used to cook as a sambal pucuk paku pakis. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how to cook sambal pucuk paku pakis, which is also known as division Pteridophyta. Okay, so first of all, you have to prepare the ingredients. Okay, here you may need a dried shrimp, chili pepper, and some garlic. And after that, we blend these ingredients in the blender. Okay, after that, we heat the wok and put some oil in it. Okay, and after that, we put the blended mixture just now into the wok and stir it well. Okay, after that, we put some salt and turmeric powder and also Maggi season. Okay, so you can also add any season that you like that suit your taste, such as Ajinomoto or whatever that you like. Okay, it's order to make it feel better. Okay, next we stir it well and wash the pucuk paku pakis and cut it into a small pieces. After that, we put this into the wok and cook it. We cook it and done. Okay, so you can eat. We can also eat this sambal pucuk paku pakis with a rice. Okay, that's what we usually eat, right? As a Malaysian. Okay. So, division Pteridophyta application as food contain many benefits, okay, such as these contain vitamin C, which will give benefits for better eyes health, and it also contain vitamin C, which will boost the immune system and help in the production of collagen in our body. Okay. Next, division Pteridophyta application as floral arrangement. Okay. So you may need a glass jar, a soil, gravel, fabric landscape, fern, and also other plants. Okay, so but if you doesn't have any glass jar, you can also use a plastic bottle, a water bottle, such as like that. Okay, so it will become, it's like we recycle, right? So it will also can save our environment from rubbish and something like that. Okay, so first of all, we wash the gravel first and put the washed gravel into the glass jar. Okay, after that, cut some landscape fabric and put it into the glass jar. Okay, we put it on top of the gravel. Okay, after that, we put some soil into the glass jar. And don't forget to put some activated charcoal into the glass jar. Okay, this into the soil. This is in order to make the soil more fresh. Okay, so that's why we need a fresh soil in order to make sure our plants can grow healthily. Okay, healthy. Okay, after that, we prepare the fern that we're going to use. Okay, by removing the soil that attached to the fern. Okay, like this, we remove first, and after that, we put it into the glass jar. Okay, or something else that you can use. Okay, so after we put the fern, we can also put other plants to make it more attractive. Okay, like here, we can put polka dot plants. Okay, like here. Okay, so then we done the first division Pteridophyta in a floral arrangement, which is fern terrarium. Okay, so there's many benefits that we can gain from the division Pteridophyta application as floral arrangement, which is it will help grow plants that would be difficult to grow in dry air, and it also provide a confined space for a garden, like a mini garden. So it's suitable for people that love to gardening, they love to plant a plant. So it will be very useful for those who like to have a plant. Okay, so and we also can use the fern terrarium like this to decorate something in our decoration. We can decorate our office, we can decorate our classes, our home, and it will make our place more beautiful, attractive. Okay, so like that. Okay, so in my group research, we found the Quranic verse that related to division Pteridophyta in Surah Yunus, verse 24, which bring the meaning. The example of the life of this world is similar to the water which we send down from the sky. So due to it, the earth's vegetation grew in abundance, that which man and cattle eat. Okay, so this Quran verse explains that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made plants grow in earth, so human and animals can eat it and get good nutrients from it. So, and as we know that Phylum Pteridophyta is also categorized in food, like present just now, that division Pteridophyta can also use in food. And it become like sambal pucuk paku pakis just now, right? Okay, so that's why we should use this division Pteridophyta with a good way. Don't waste it. Don't. So we have to appreciate the thing that Allah gives to us. Okay, like this. So this shows that generally film Pteridophyta's benefits was already explained in the Al-Quran. Okay. So this is the reference that my group searched in order to complete this assignment. So I think that's all from our group 6. Okay, thank you.